Frequent lags or sluggishness are usually among the common indications of performance issues in mobile devices. Such behaviors usually manifest on any device after several months of years of regular use. In this video, we will show you how to fix Galaxy S20 that became extremely laggy after Android 11. First solution: close background apps. When apps are left open and running in the background for a long period of time, there is a tendency for them to crash. When this happens, the entire system functions could get affected and thus, your device would slow down. Here's how to do it. Tap the Recent Apps key to view the recent apps running. Tap Close All to quit all at once. After that, try to see if your Galaxy S20 still lags or if the problem is fixed. Second solution: do the forced restart. When it comes to fixing performance-related issues like this, the second thing that you have to do is to do the forced restart. It is a simulated battery removal that refreshes your phone's memory as well as reloads all apps and services. If the random lags are just due to some minor firmware or app-related glitches, then this procedure might be enough to fix it. Here's how. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. Your S20 will turn off and then power back on. Once the Galaxy S20 logo shows on the screen, release both keys and wait until your phone has finished rebooting. When the reboot is finished, try to observe your phone's performance and see if the lags still occur. Third solution: run your phone in safe mode. It's possible that the problem is caused by some apps that have gone rogue. And so to rule out this possibility, you have to restart your device in safe mode to temporarily disable all third-party apps. To run your Galaxy S20 in safe mode, follow these steps. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for a few seconds. When the power options show, tap and hold the power off option until it changes into safe mode. Tap safe mode and wait until the phone finishes the reboot. Once the device is in safe mode, try to observe if it still reboots by itself. If the problem is fixed, then it means that one or some of the third-party apps is causing the problem. However, if the issue continues, then the firmware might have a problem. Fourth solution: reset all settings on your phone. Another possibility is that the problem can be due to some settings. You may have changed something that caused the phone to lag. So to rule it out, you have to reset all the settings on your device. It's effective, but none of your files or data will be deleted. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password or pattern. Tap Reset. Once the phone is ready, try see if it still lags or if the problem is already fixed. Fifth solution: factory reset your phone. If the previous solutions haven't fixed the problem, then it's time to reset your phone. Firmware-related issues can always be fixed with a reset. However, you will have to create a backup of your important files and data as they will be deleted. When ready, follow either of the guides below so you'll be guided accordingly. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password or pattern. Tap Delete All. Now enter your password and then tap Done to finally reset your device. After the reset, set up your Galaxy S20 as a new device. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notification. Thanks for watching.